Hey guys, it's Buck WSR Weezer. We are putting the do into do-it-yourself. A couple of weeks ago I shared with you a video of installing a snowplow on the Craftsman GT6000 tractor. Well, guess what? Today we get a chance to try it out. So let's go outside and see what happens. Yes, there we are. It's several inches of the white stuff, and it's pretty heavy. It's not terribly cold today. It might be 32 degrees, and this was mixed with a lot of rain, so it may be pretty heavy. We'll see if the tractor is able to push it. I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. You know, sometimes you go to trouble of doing all that work to install it and then snow never comes. So here we are at my junkyard of small engine projects waiting. And the tractor's here in the shed. Well, I gotta clear some stuff out of the way just to get the tractor out, but I'll go ahead and do that, and then look forward to firing it up together and seeing if we can push some snow. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it feels a tad bit self-defeating to have to use the snow shovel to clear a path so you can get the tractor out. I don't have wheel weights or chains, and I thought the ag tires might do it. Now that I've gotten over to the driveway on the blacktop pavement, let's see how it does. clearly that's not getting the job done. But I've got an idea of how I can add some weight to the back, and take me a few minutes to set that up, but I think that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to put the bag catcher on and then hang some cinder blocks, something heavy on the back of it. Let's see what happens. Okay, take two. You can see I hung the bag catcher rack and I got some cinder blocks hanging there. Maybe that'll give me some extra weight. And if that doesn't work, maybe we'll give that guy a try. Okay. Keep your fingers crossed. We got it. Well guys, I think we've had mixed success with the plow and the snowblower today. It had stopped snowing. I think it's starting to come down again. I think it's about done though. Hey, you remember when we installed the snow blade and I was missing those brackets and we made some makeshift brackets? Well, the parts were back ordered and one of them has arrived for the left side. One for the right side is still not here. But I think our makeshift brackets have held up pretty well. So I'm not going to bother to install this until the other one actually arrives. Alright, I want to thank you for joining me on this video. And yeah, I'm not going to throw away my snow shovel because still I pretty much need it. At least around here. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching the video. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.